Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from ZTE BLADE V8 LITE to an Android device. First of all, access Play Store on both devices. Now you need to tap on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer. Following that, click on Open. Then you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now go with Send on ZTE and Receive on an Android. Then click on all of those kind of dots and choose Send in order to send all of your data. It will take a while though, so I will only go with this one photo, tap on Send and click Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and tap on Receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on the scanning icon on an Android, then choose Allow and point your device's camera at the code. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you want to make sure, you can always go into My Files app or just Files app, select in my case Images and look for Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!